What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, well, not really doing nothing again. Just sitting home, can't go nowhere. Hey, I got some rocking. So you guys remember this area was all dirt. Well, it's still kind of dirt. Got to get all this cleaned up right here. This garage is gonna go here. Get all these bushes, all these trees. Well, these trees are gonna stay, but like those are like weeds. Got to get rid of all that. Clean this whole area up. But we need more. This kind of put it down pretty thin. This rock section you see here, there's still some dirt right there. So we're going to probably get another, I think he said I need another 8 tons in here. This is 3 tons right now. We're gonna do this whole thing, pretty much all rock right here, all this through there. And then the garage will be there, or be here, so we can pull the ding-ding right in so the tires are sitting on rock instead of dirt. Hold on, we got bacon cooking over here. Uh-oh, look at that. Oh man, what do you guys think? Can you smell it? Can you smell? Oh, she's popping all over me. I'm not doing it. You can talk smack. You can cook your own bacon. She says I burnt it. She said I burnt the bacon, guys. I like them crispy, so you can cook your own bacon. That's it. Me and my boy, what you doing? How you doing, sir? Yeah. What you mean, huh? Did you tell everybody you got a toy channel? Kane's Toy World? What the? What's in here, you mother? Come on, you punk. Oh, you eating your lunch? Yeah. Oh, you got a lot of puzzle pieces there. Man, your temper is punk. Get back outside. This is what I deal with, guys, all day, every day. Quarantine, please end. Please, hurry up. You burnt the bacon. That's not good. It's not good. I bet you mine are going to taste 10 times better.
You want to taste Daddy's bacon?
You want to taste my bacon?
Tell me whose bacon is better, Mommy's or Daddy's, okay?
What do you think? Well, why is Mommy trying my bacon?
It's still a little hot. Hold on.
Alright, we'll wait.
Alright, so whose
try my bacon
is better, Mommy's bacon or Daddy's bacon? This is Daddy's bacon, okay?
Okay.
Alright, tell me whose is better.
Mommy!
Woo! How does
you
Daddy's bacon taste? Tell me. How does it taste?
Bad. I think that you burn it.
I didn't burn it.
Yeah. I did.
Okay, then give me it. Oh yeah, you're still eating it. You love it. And guys, I forgot to tell you, we have had a tragedy with old Blue. Sad day, but I was taking out the trash and almost ate shit because the whole seat broke off. Look at this thing. Uh-oh. That's no bueno, my friend. No bueno. Well, guys, I don't know. We're gonna have to maybe it's time just to upgrade the whole seat, get one with an actual back support on it, maybe. But it looks like it just rusted and, well, broke. That's what happens, guys. Do not let rust accumulate. It will turn into like cancer, and well, that's what happens. You get a broken seat and you're screwed. So we'll probably I'll probably change this whole thing and just, or you know, maybe I'll put like a, what do you think? Maybe I'll put like a stock Polaris seat on this thing. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. You know, guys, I got an idea for 10 things to help you through this quarantine dilemma, ordeal, chingus that we're doing right here. 10 things that you can do in your garage. So if you got a garage, I would probably say the first thing, guys, since, you know, I'm sure some of you got some time on your hands, working from home, organize your stuff. If you got detail product, if you have any oils, if you got any of that stuff, I would organize it, get it nice. Get you a nice clean, you know, garage so you know where everything is. Number 2, tools. So what I'm gonna do, so you see I got like this right here. This doesn't need to be in here. This doesn't need to be in here. This needs to be trash. Stuff like that, guys. Like this is for welding. So all this welding stuff needs to go towards the welding side of the garage. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do number 2, which is like, why do I have an HDMI cable in here? Why do I got GoPro? Why do I got tokens for the golf course? Like, see, look at rugged stuff. Why is this stuff in here, guys? This is unnecessary. So we're going to clean this up. That'll be number 2. It's not too bad in here. I like to have like a little tool cart, so when we are working on stuff, you got like the essentials of what you're going to use, And then you got your toolbox if you need, then you can get to that. I got some PPEI koozies if you guys would like. This is how many trucks I've tuned. You know, when you tune a truck, they give you free koozies. And, well, when PPI, you know, the good old days, they used to send them. So I got a bunch of koozies. So if any of you guys are local, you know, maybe, actually, I don't know if I'm allowed to put them at the Napa store yet, just because it's sort of like right now in and out. But maybe I'll leave some at the Napa store for you guys. You can come on in and grab some free koozies. We got your zip ties. We got your fuse blocks. This is sort of like the fuse section. Up here where you got more fuses. You got some heat shrink. You got air fittings if you need some air fittings. Guys with a Cummins, if you got a Cummins, these things are a must. When you do an oil change, oh my goodness. So the oil change, you know, on the Cummins, it comes out on the passenger side. So you drop the oil filter, but then you got to tilt it towards you to bring it out. Well, this thing, see, you can tell this one's black and this one's nice and clean. So this one, when I drop the filter, I cap it right here, and then I pull the filter out. You know, you grab it like this, pull it out, and it doesn't make a mess. These things are the best, guys. You guys have, if you have a Cummins, you gotta have one of these. I would say the fourth thing, guys, clean your vehicles. You know, if you got a garage, again, clean it, pull it in the garage, and, you know, wipe it down, vacuum it, get the tires shiny. Check this out. Speaking of garage, look how dirty. So I had this thing out of the bubble, right? And I had it out of the bubble for a while because I wanted to, let me open the garage. I wanted to, or I drove it. And when I drove the thing, oh, look at that. Yeah, I was camping this morning. I was bored, had a chair over there. I was pretending like I was in the desert. But I drove it, and look, I left it out for about 2 weeks, guys. I mean, look at the, I don't know if you can see, look at the amount of dust that accumulates. I mean, this thing is so dusty. So we're going to pull this out. We're going to wash it. Then we're going to put it back in its bubble. I mean, look at this. Holy moly. So I didn't want to put it back in the bubble, well, because it's filthy. So we're going to take it outside, rinse it down, and then put it back. And the fifth thing, guys, and I know everybody that has a garage and everybody that has a workbench, their workbench is filthy. To me, this is disgusting. So, and half it's my son, see, pulling all this stuff out, making, I don't know what he's making over here, but look at this, what's going on here, son? So he makes stuff. So this is like his little play section right here that my son plays with and hangs out. So I can't give him all the blame, but like gloves got to go back. You know, the welding mask, or you can call it the COVID-19 mask, that's got to go back. You know, all these hoses. This is for, oh, actually, this is for the EGR delete. So that's what I'm going to do today, guys. I'm going to organize all this stuff. So I'm going to pretty much pull everything out of this garage. Just get it, like, perfection. Like, why do we have stuff on the floor? This stuff should not be on the floor. So we got to get some more hooks. We got to hook some stuff up somewhere. Number 7, also what you guys can do, if you got AC or heater, clean your filter. I'm going to go up there today, clean the filter in that thing, and make sure it's clean so that, you know, continues to work proper. Number 8. You can organize your nuts and your bolts. So size them. You can get some of these. I got these at Napa, but I've seen them online. You can get them online. You know, I need probably 500 more of these things because, as you guys know, we can never, ever, ever have too many nuts and bolts laying around. I think every day I grab a couple of them and I put them away, but every time I do a job, you know, we end up with more because they send you stuff. For an example, like the Baja Designs. I mean, look, the Baja Design light that I installed. Well, I don't need any of these right here. So this will go, again, back over there. This was for, I don't even remember what this was for. I think it was for a Rigid I got. Don't need them. You know, I even have these things. Now, if you guys are like me, I like to separate my Allens compared to like the nuts and bolts. Okay, so here's all. I got these from Abba Baba Bolt. If you guys are in San Diego, and actually there probably, I'm sure, more locations in San Diego, Abba Baba Bolt is the best place for these little organizers. So me personally, I like to, if I'm going to add nuts and bolts, I like to use the Allens. Personally, I think an Allen just looks cleaner, you know, than a bolt. I don't know. That's just my personal opinion, but I think, you know, when you're looking at that, it looks a lot cleaner than, you know, looking at, I don't know, the head of, like, now I can't even find one, you know, the head of that. So it's, and again guys, it's personal preference, but this is where all of the Allens are. Now number 8, a lot of you guys have asked me, and I don't know why I haven't answered it. I should have answered you guys, but you've asked me, Eddie, what kind of tools do you keep in your little toolbox in the truck that it comes with? So some of you guys have a little compartment here. I do not have that. I think the regular crew cab has it, but the mega cab does not. The mega cab, we have it back here. And what I keep, some of my essentials, let me get up here, are, let's see what we got. We gotta have some baby wipes, because you never know in case an emergency happens, or you just gotta wipe your hands. I got some electrical tools in there. I got 1/4-inch drive sockets. I got wrenches. I've got this kit right here. I wish I could put this light somewhere for you guys. This kit right here is a, it's pretty cool. I got this off Amazon, and it was actually really cheap. It was like that Amazon deal special. I want to say it was like 20 bucks. Nah, I mean, I don't know quality, but I've used them, and it's got pretty much every, I mean, you got torques, you got security torques, you got inverted torques, we got some dirt. Let me, ooh, jeez. Haven't used those in a while, it looks like. But you got your flathead, you got your Allens, you got your squares. I mean, it has security, even Allen. It has everything, guys. And I will try to find this and put the link down below, but man, this thing is so old. I don't remember where the heck I got it from. But I mean, I'd like to keep this in here because I mean, I couldn't tell you how many times I have used this out in the desert when they're like, hey, do you have the security torques? Do you have this? Do you have that? And it's like, yep, I got it in here. This is my multimeter that I like to keep in here. This thing is pretty badass. It's an auto multimeter. It's nice, so you don't have to guess where the decibel goes. But you got to have one of these in your truck just to check power, all that kind of stuff. It's nothing, you know, fancy, but it's nice because it's an auto. Now, this is the compartment, which I wish they would put 2. I don't know why they only put 1. There is no compartment on that side, guys. Only on this side right here. So on this one, bada bing, bada boom. Check it out. Look what we got over here. Okay, we got tape measure. We got a test light, snap-on test light. It's nice because it lets you know voltage also. Some of the other test lights where you hit it and the light is like dim, you're like, why is that dim? Well, this is nice because it will actually tell you, you know, the voltage if you got 12 or you got only 8. You got some impacts here. I got some of the Makita impacts here. Crescent wrench. You got your 3/8 and 1/4 drive and 1/2-inch extensions. I got sockets and some pliers. That's about it that we have in here. Now for the back here, guys, I don't know, you can call it number 9, what's in the back of the truck. But I don't put too much, so I keep a 20-ton air and regular, you know, you can do it by hand, bottle jack now that I have air in the truck. I keep a strap. I keep 2 airlines in here. And then when we go to the desert, I usually put all this stuff in the trailer, or I just push all this up front, or it's nice organized, and then put some wood back here. But I keep the 1/2-inch drive sockets, then I keep the big boys and that one. So that one, in case, God forbid, this gets loose, I got to adjust it. That one has the huge, massive, you know, 2-inch sockets in it. That's the big boy set. All of this stuff, guys, all my tools are pretty much all from Napa, except, you know, this Makita is from Home Depot. And number 10, guys, I would, you know, go into your truck, check everything out, check nuts, check bolts, you know, see if anything needs greased, look everything over while you can. And, you know, I mean, if any of you guys got some time, I would do it. But that's all I got for you guys for some 10 things, and you know what we daily do here when we're just relaxing, cook some bacon in the morning. Now it's almost dinner time, but that's about it. But thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.